was attending to wasn't teaching us well. So my friend decided that she should find a class that is suitable for both of us. So my friend joined the Platinum Business Academy before me. Afterwards, I came along with my mom to the office and I asked about the crash course. They said that they would cover the syllabus within 5 months with revision, seminars and mock exams. We were skeptical at first, but then as soon as classes started, I realized that it was really good. The teachers are really fun and they make class very interesting with their jokes and all their real life examples. They make class so interesting and I really had a great experience there. Finally, I was really confident to sit my exams and I passed my exams really well, making my parents and teachers proud.